Hujambo, welcome to Swahili with Ibrahim. In this lesson today, you'll learn useful Swahili phrases. Useful Swahili phrases. But before we start this lesson, please follow this account and then like this video for more options. Let's get started. Number 1, asante, asante. Thank you. Number 2, tutaonana baadaye. Tutaonana baadaye. See you later. Number 3, safari njema. Safari njema. Have a good trip. Next here, njoo na mimi. Njoo na mimi. Come with me. Samahani. Samahani. I am sorry. Nina shughuli. Nina shughuli. I am busy. Sina muda. Sina muda. I don't have time. Najisikia vizuri. Najisikia vizuri. I feel good. Ninaondoka sasa. Ninaondoka sasa. I am leaving now. Kila kitu kiko tayari. Kila kitu kiko tayari. Everything is ready. Kuwa mwangalifu. Kuwa mwangalifu. Be careful. Now for more options, if you want to learn Swahili through online WhatsApp, you can contact this number +254 769 001669. Don't forget to follow this account and then like this video for more options. Even don't forget to share this video.